YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl. You already know it's my channel, Heads. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got a couple of unboxings. I picked these guys off of the outlet mall. I went to the Aldo store and then to the Coach store. They had some deals going on. I think it was 30% off. Yeah, but let's get into it real quick. So push these guys aside. Yo, this is a really clean, decent Chelsea boot, if you could see. I like the color. What does it say? It says it doesn't say, but this looks like a dark brown mocha-ish colorway. Yeah, you know, Chelsea boots are back in style, and everybody that likes to, you know, dress up and look clean, I believe should have a couple of them in their rotation, you know, so to break out all the sneakers and, you know, boots and whatnot. This is very decent. If you're going on a date, you could use this one, and I think you should be good to go, you know. All right, let's get into the next box real quick. All right, so the next one right here, Coach. Let's see if I can get the. Okay, so they had take 15% off your purchase of $150 or more, and I think it was also 20% in the store. So okay, so both of them came up to let's see, $172. The sneakers were $250. But I paid $131, and then the slides were let's see, yeah, the slides were $150, but I paid $87. So totally I saved $240. Get into the main action. I'm gonna do the shoe first, and then we could do the slides. So back in the day, I used to buy stuff from Coach. You know, Coach has got that little instructions on there on how to clean and take care of the shoes. This shoe right here is kind of clean. It's just a very simple shoe that you can rock, you know, for walking and you know, styling and doing your thing. It's not super fancy, and the colors, you know, the dark brown and the light Coach material over here, you can, it's pretty decent enough. You can match it with I feel like white jeans will go very well with this. You could also do a light blue, light gray jeans, white t-shirt, and you should be good. You don't have to overcompensate by styling it too hard. Otherwise, you look tacky, you know, just because of the colors. Okay. All right. Next is the slides. You know, like it's just your regular slides, except this is in the Coach brown, you know, colorway, which looks really clean and decent. You can't go too wrong with these guys right here. If you want some slides to wear, you know, on your vacation or just to walk around, they're a little bit pricey, but overall I don't think it's anything that is too superior of the regular slides that it's out there for like $30–40. But that's just for you. It's name brand. Alright, anyways, go check out some of my other videos. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when we post new videos. And until then,
same dirt, I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Everything went wrong and it hurts us. I had to go and pull the plug on my first love. I had to see you take a last breath. You ain't never felt pain till you feel it in your chest. Look, I took a bullet and I'd rather take another one than to feel the same pain, and that's on my son. I've been down in the dirt for so many years. You ain't never seen a grown man shed tears. All I really wanna see is the best you. Put my life on the line to protect you. You were right there when I didn't have no ends. You were there when I came through in the Benz, but you still broke my heart, fucking with my friends. Ever since then I never really had a chance. Now my heart is made of stone, left in God's hands. Now I understand it's all a part of God's plans. Still got it, still hurt, still in the dirt. You just talk about that life, but you don't know the first. Coming from a broken home like it's all good. Now I'm walking with my heat through the wrong hood. God please guide me to a better way. All I really got is faith, every day I pray. I can still feel it beating deep up in my ribs. I swear to God, all my life I do it for my kids. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. I'm standing at the edge waiting for a push. I swear to God, if it wasn't for this kush, I'd be dead or in prison sitting on a bus. I do it for my family and my people show me love. Mama told me ghetto boy gotta hang on, but it's getting even harder trying to stay strong. But I'm a motherfucking man and I gotta do it. Press play on this song when you're going through it. Step 1, keep your faith in the Lord. Step 2, gotta pray when it's hard. Step 3, make a move, do your part. Step 4, finish everything you start. Step 1, keep your faith in the Lord. Step 2, gotta pray when it's hard. Step 3, make a move, do your part. Step 4, better finish what you start. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst.